Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Those of you that have been around for a little while have kind of surmised, I'm sure, that I'm somewhat of a gadget guy. And so when I start kind of follow down that rabbit hole of looking for a specific tool or an item that might be good to use, things happen. A while back I bought one of those, I'll see if I can find it here in a minute, one of those offset ratchet extensions, and I was worried about the durability, and so I was kind of poking around on Amazon and found, well, let me show you. It's one of these offset wrenches, which is considerably more robust than the one that I got, and it has a typical ratchet head. On the end of it, it has a half drive, kind of a receptacle on there, and so the idea behind it is that you use your impact and that will do what you need it to do. And so I was trying to figure out a good way to kind of demonstrate it and see how it works without being stuck in the middle of a project. So let me show you what I got in mind. Hang on a second. Okay, so let me go over to my nut and bolt bins. I've got, let's see what I got. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that ought to be good. Harbor Freight. I don't know how durable they'll be, but they should be all right. Let's do this. Let me get this set up, figure out how I'm going to make this work out so that you guys can see it and understand it, hopefully. Another Harbor Freight vise. I just got this. Let me get this set up again, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let me show you what I've got for this setup. I've got my big sweaty Harbor Freight Hercules half drive, chrome sockets, I know, but I'm going to try this. Got some of the Permatex high strength thread locker, the bolt that we found a minute ago. Let me adjust this camera so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so see how this works. I don't know if it's going to work out or not, but I'll give it a try. Ooh, we got some, there we go. Yeah. I'm going to put about $200 worth of thread locker on there. Put that bolt on there. Let's chuck it up in the vise. Oh. Now let me set it just a smidge deeper. There we go. I think that's got it. That way it won't hit against it and I can actually... There we go. Okay. Ooh, that got a little bit warm. I'm never going to use this bolt again. That thing's trying to twist it off. All right. Hit this top one. We know it's on there because that thing has twisted the head of that bolt. So now we wait. Let's go ahead and chuck it up even tighter. We're going to let that thing sit for a little while and make sure that stuff gets good and hardened up. Now, I think when the impact was hitting, it made the camera kind of jump over a little bit. But anyway, that's where we're at. We're going to let this sit for a little bit, see how long it takes for it to really set up good. And then we'll see if this offset ratchet wrench thingy will take this off of there, or see what happens. Alright, so this is set for a couple hours, so it ought to be good and set up. I got my microphone over here because I don't like it having it on my chest, and hopefully it's not going to be that loud. So, come on. There we go. Let's see if this thing will take it off. Knock that one loose. See if any of that is still. Wow, that one didn't have really a whole lot on. All right, let's hit it with another one. All right. Need a deep socket. Wow, that's pretty impressive. I mean, it about put the Hercules up there to the full end. Actually, I was worried about breaking the socket because it was actually pretty heavily on there. I read the deal on the Loctite, and it said that it needs to be heated to 500 degrees. Yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, it's rusty. I mean, that was on there, so pretty impressed with that, I think. So this tool is actually kind of cool. It worked. Hey. So anyway, I'll put a description in the link below, or in the a link in the description below for this video, so that if you guys are interested in trying one of those out, you can. Got it off of Amazon. Don't remember what I paid, but I'll put all that in there. And okay, so kind of nice. I guess you'd be able to, you know, drop it down into a spot and hit it with the ratchet or whatever you got. It does come with a set of the adapters, so you can use basically whatever kind of tool that you've got to do those. But the chrome vanadium, not a whole lot of confidence in that stuff. But I don't know. Tell me what you think down below. Is it something that you're interested in, or is it something that you might think that you don't need? Hopefully the audio comes out good enough, because I did put the microphone back over here. There, I adjusted the camera up so you can actually see my face now, and I actually can see the screen. Anyway, I think that's pretty cool. So kind of a short, quick video on something that I found on the internet. And the internet's a dangerous place, we all know that. And again, that's that. Kind of a neat deal. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching Yellow Jacket Garage. If you haven't already done so, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Like, share, whatever you like. And we'll see you on down the road.